Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. You tell me where from you are, which village?
I am Khammam.
Okay. Next.
Sir, I am Ananta Sagar, sir.
Okay, Anant Sagar. Okay.
Internet Satpalli, sir.
Satpalli. Okay. Next. Some people are joining still. We'll start the session. Today's session is about self-discipline. We are going to discuss about
Okay, sir.
self-discipline.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Are you having some notebook?
Yeah, sir, of course.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Here, in this program, we discussed many topics. Are you following all the topics?
Yes, sir.
What topic is good for you?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Good morning. Here, today we are going to start discuss about what we call the self-discipline. Why we need self-discipline, and also what is the necessity of self-discipline. We are going to discuss one by one. Is it easy to acquire self-discipline very easily? It takes some time also, effort also, some training also. It is not easy to get self-discipline very easily.
Yes, sir. It is very hard, sir.
So by training and practice only, we can get the self-discipline. Here we are going to discuss about all the ingredients of self-discipline. To get the self-discipline, we must be in a position. We must be in a position to get our goals, understand our goals. So here self-discipline is a continuous process. Without self-discipline, we are not going to achieve our goals. We already discussed about some of the key points. 7 habits of highly successful people, and also what we call the 7 habits of highly successful people, the mindset, success mindset, and other videos we are already discussed. Today we are going to discuss about self-confidence. If you want anything, you raise your hand, and also take the notes in the middle also. To get the self-discipline, we have to follow our own goal. We have to follow our own, and also we have to be systematic and punctual. Without a systematic activity and punctual activity, we are not going to get the results. Here, I will discuss one by one some of the topics we are going to discuss about. The most important one is we have to think long term. We have to think long term and write our goals, and we have to act in the present. We have to act in the present. Did you get the point? We have to think long term and we have to act in the present. Thinking will be in future, but action will be in the present. Moreover, to get our aim, to become a leader in a industry, to become an officer, to become a rich person, or to become a popular person, or to become a useful person to your family and also people around you, you must delay gratification. immediate gratification, and you have to wait for the results. So you have to wait for the results. Suppose somebody is going and watching television, it is a temporary gratification, temporary fulfilling of the need. Somebody is what we call chit-chatting under the tree. It is immediate a time pass method. Gossip is a time pass method. Talking about other people and their performance or faults, errors, it is one of the thing which is not useful to you. So here you have to focus your mind. You have to focus your mind on what you want. What do you want? You want your resources to be used and applied to your life. మీలో ఉన్న మానసిక శక్తి సామర్థ్యాలను ఉపయోగించుకొని మీ జీవితాన్ని తీర్చిదిద్దుకోవాలి. మీ జీవితం మీకు ఉపయోగపడాలి, మీ చుట్టూ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకు ఉపయోగపడాలి. దానికోసం ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. అది కాకుండా ప్రతిరోజు లేచిన కాడి నుంచి ఇఫ్ యూ ఓపెన్ యువర్ వాట్ యు కాల్ ఓపెన్ యువర్ ఎనర్జీ టు డిసిపేట్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ఏరియాస్ like a pressure cooker without valve. Like a pressure cooker without valve, what happens? All the pressure will be out. There will be no cooking of rice or dal. So here in life also we have to use our energy, the pressure, in a systematic way on a goal focused activity. So for this purpose we are going to discuss some of the activities and some of the habits we need. We already discussed about 7 habits of highly effective people by Stephen Covey. So here, what are the useful 7 habits, or what are the things you need more in daily life apart from the 7 habits? 7 habits లో ఉన్నాయి కాకుండా డైలీ లైఫ్ లో మనకు అవసరమైన ఏమున్నాయి హ్యాబిట్స్, ఇంకా ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా చెప్పగలుగుతారా ఎవరైనా?
Saving habit, sir.
ఎస్ అమ్మా,
Saving habit.
ఎస్, ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్.
Thank you, sir.
Self control, sir.
సెల్ఫ్ కంట్రోల్, ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్.
Daily meditation habit, sir.
ఎస్,
Daily meditation habit, sir.
ఓకే, డైలీ మెడిటేషన్ హ్యాబిట్, ఓకే. ఎర్లీ
Positive mind, sir.
ఎర్లీ గెటప్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బెడ్. పొద్దున్నే లేవటం. పొద్దున్నే సెలవులు ఉన్నాయి కదా అని 7 దాకా 8 దాకా పడుకోకుండా యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లాన్ యువర్ టైమ్ అండ్ యూజ్ యువర్ టైమ్ ఫర్ రీడింగ్. మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబ్లీ ఇన్ యువర్ విలేజ్ దేర్ మే బి లైబ్రరీ. In your village there may be in all gram panchayats there are libraries are also there, but nobody goes to library. Somebody go to library and read only paper, newspaper. They don't go and learn about the useful knowledge, the biography, the important books to learn skills. They don't focus on. Somebody is waiting. Somebody is waiting in the outside. So here what happens, if you can use your time in a proper way, it will be very essential. Everybody will be having only 24 hours of time, but some people are using their time effectively and they become prosperous, rich, or goal oriented, and they are happy. Many people are in the hands of bad habits. What are the bad habits? పొద్దున్నే లేవకపోవటం, బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్. ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ గోల్స్, బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్. ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ హోప్ ఇన్ లైఫ్, బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్. అండ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ అదర్ పీపుల్ టు గైడ్ యూ ఈజ్ బ్యాడ్ హ్యాబిట్. You have to plan your life. You have to move in the direction of your goal, your life purpose. Yesterday in the video course we already discussed about the purpose. Everybody should have purpose. Everybody should have purpose. The purpose may change from time to time. Mother Teresa, at the beginning she became what we call a teacher in convent school, but her purpose changed when a what we call poor woman died in her hands when she is taking her to the hospital. Her purpose changed. Mahatma Gandhi went to South Africa. When he is traveling in a train, the train guard pushed him from the first class compartment and asked him to get out to the third class compartment and thrown all his baggage to the platform. There he changed his purpose to liberate the colonialism or the what we call the ruling of the Britishers. So he get back to the own country, India, and he started the various types of agitation, and he found the Satyagraha, Rasta Roko, like that he invented some of the things. So the purpose may change from time to time, from activity to activity, but one should have purpose. At every stage, every day, we should have a purpose. Your purpose is to become a valuable person. You have to learn, you have to grow. 1 minute, there is a call. Hello.
Okay.
Avanam. Okay, it is running. Admitted, you are admitted. Okay. So here, without purpose, we will be aimless. Our energies will be going waste. Without purpose, all the people around us, they will direct us to do this thing and that thing, which are not having value. So without value, if we do things, our life will be with less quality of life. To become a valuable person with a better quality of life, all the what we call resources you need to live and to develop and to what we call prosper. You have every right to grow. You have all the what we call ingredients, all the resources you are having in your mind. In your mind, you are blessed by the Creator. So you have to focus. You have to use the resources. You have to what we call manage your mind. You have to manage your time. You have to do regularly. Yes, very good morning. You have to regularly do all the what we call activities. For this purpose, we need the self-discipline. So self-discipline gives long-term results, not immediate results. So for the long-term results, we have to be patient. We have to be cautious to stop dissipation of energy from our mind and body. You know, in the two-wheeler or car, there will be air. If the air is punctured, all the air is gone, there is no pressure and the automobile or the lorry or vehicle will not travel. Like a pressure cooker, you know, without the whistle on the top, if the pressure cooker is burning and steam is going out, there is no use end product. So for that purpose, we have to preserve our energies and we have to direct our energies in a systematic way. That is called as self-discipline. For self-discipline, we have to stop negative thinking. We have to stop negative thinking. We have to focus on the good habits. We have to only repeat the positive things. We have to learn skills, not one skill. We have to learn 3 skills and multiple skills we have to learn. We have to learn more languages. You know, I am from government school. I am from Telugu medium background. But after introduction of what we call the English medium in 1998 and from 2000 onwards, I used to teach in English medium in our schools, in our society. I had nearly 29 years of experience in this society. I had been teaching the personality development from 2004 in the name of Create Your Future. A seminar is there. I developed for people, students who are present in Ganpur. When I am in station Ganpur, I use it to tell all these things to the students with permission of the principal there at that time. Now from 2004 onwards, I am teaching. Some of the students are using all the benefits. Now, the Khammam region students, the Khammam region students are all what we call have a chance with the what we call direction of Arsiva madam. I am taking this what we call session. So the one of the drawbacks of Zoom session is it is only 40 minutes, only 40 minutes. So the starting and interaction will be less. So I am not going for the interaction. Here we have to cultivate the good habits. What is good habits? One of the good habits is to wake up in the morning, early in the morning. All millionaires who started their life from rags to riches, they are having a habit, a discipline, a self-discipline that they wake up early in the morning. And they perform physical exercise. They perform physical exercise and they take what we call meditation. They take visualization regularly. And they don't work for money. They don't work for money, but they have a lot of money. All the millionaires are having a lot of money, but they don't work for money. Their purpose is to change the world, to provide good service, great service to all the people in their field. In their field, their purpose is to serve many people. Their purpose is to change the world by providing so and so service. So you also write that write purpose that I change the world. My purpose is to change the world, providing so and so service, to become a teacher, to become a doctor, to become an engineer, to become a police officer, to become a leader in so and so field, to become an inventor. Like that, you have to choose the purpose. You have to choose the purpose. And also you have to breathe in and breathe out at least 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening, so that the lung capacity will be expanded. And you have to manage your body language. Instead of in a depressed state like that, you have to be what we call stretch your body and breathe in and keep your head in the right position and think positively about yourself. You are the creator of this. You are creation of this nature. You are creation of God. You have no errors or no faults. If there is any fault, it is by mistake get into your brain. So you change the thinking. Here there is power cut. Due to power cut, I am not able to deliver this one. It is one of the reasons why I am not what we call. Hello, am I audible to you, all of you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, yes, thank you. Now there is a power cut here. In Karanagiri, where I am in Khammam, there is power cut, and I connected what we call the mobile to the laptop. So it is one of the reasons why I am not conducting the Zoom sessions. Suddenly there will be a problem. There will be a what we call from officers, or there will be call from other people, or maybe power cut. Anyhow, I am managing to connect with you. Here, yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Here, what we call the in the activity, you have to be taken an active role instead of a passive role, instead of a routine slow what we call thinking, you have to plan and do some work daily on a regular basis to reach your goal. You have to think in the future, think for the future, and you have to act in the present. The human beings are having a remarkable power that they dream about the future. They dream about the future and they work in the present. They work in the present. So that we will be focusing in that way. In that pattern, we develop the what we call self-confidence, self-discipline. Moreover, when you are communicating with yourself and you are communicating with the other people around you, you have to be fair. You have to be what we call a trusted person. You have to keep your word. You have to keep your word so that it will be building certain character, the level of confidence in yourself. It will stacking in your mind one by one. If you keep your word one day after another, one after the other, your confidence levels will be increased and you will be in a position to achieve your goals. So keep your what we call word. Keep your word. Plan your action. Plan your action and keep your goal. Keep your word. It is called as integrity. It is called as integrity in what we call psychology. So these are some of the ideas. The next one is the I will give some of the what we call differences between the successful people and what we call unsuccessful people in relation to the what we call the self-discipline. Please write down successful people and unsuccessful people. In between there will be a line, middle line. That is, we are dividing paper into two parts. The first part, successful people work for the results. Successful people work for the results. So I have to produce so and so result. Like that, their focus will be producing on the result. Unsuccessful people will be concerned with methods. I am working, and they will be always working. They don't complete so and so work. But successful people complete the work in a given time bound work they will complete. The second one, more concerned with positive people, the successful people concerned with more long-term consequences. More long-term consequences. The unsuccessful people spend their time in personal enjoyment, and immediate gratification, immediate satisfaction, immediate gratification. Successful people more concerned with achievement. I have to achieve, I have to learn, I have to grow, I have to do this. Like that, they will be concerned with more achievement. Unsuccessful people more concerned with activities. They do activities for fun, but they don't focus on what we call the results. Successful people are self-motivated. Successful people are self-motivated. They work without any other person. So without guidance of other people, successful people go on working, and they produce one level of achievement. After that, another level of achievement. After that, another level of achievement they go. But unsuccessful people are not focused on achievement. They focused on happiness, immediate gratification without goal. They focus on gossip. They focus on reading newspaper, or they focus on the things which are not in their control. Focus on things which are not in their control. They discuss always. They spend time and they loss in their lives. The next one. Successful people are confident people. Unsuccessful people are not confident people. So here there will be what we call the bad habits. What are the bad habits? One is a lack of goals. Lack of goals is a bad habit. Wasting time is a bad habit. And spending more time with the TV or unproductive things is a bad habit. In India, you know, there is a survey, most of the people spend at least 7 hours at TV. ఉద్యోగం చేసే టైం ఎంత 7 hours or 8 hours ఉంటుంది. అట్లనే టీవీ చూసే టైం కూడా ఎంత ఉంటుంది? It is 7 hours or 8 hours. And what is the time for what is the time for self education? What is the time for self learning? What is the time for self development in a person? I don't know. You tell me whether you are allotting at least 1 hour time or not. You allot at least 1 hour time or 2 hours time for self development. The self development is not taught in the schools, not taught in the colleges, not in India. In America also it is not taught. They have to learn. They have to learn. It is not school syllabus. It is not college syllabus. It should be learned through experiences. Life is a collection of experiences. Life is a collection of experiences, their frequency and intensity. What is life? Life is a collection of experiences, their frequency and intensity for that individual, for the growth of that individual. Life experience means not bad experience. Life experience is not the what we call sheep or goat experience. Life experience is self-directed, self-motivated experiences for the growth, development and expansion. So for that purpose, you have to learn, you have to grow. So these are some of the ideas about what we call the self-discipline. And during what we call during night, what we call when you are going to bed, you focus something. You focus when you are going to sleep, you focus and dream what you want in your life. What you want in your life. Don't focus. Don't encourage bad habits. 1 minute, I am connecting to the power. Just now we received power. So don't focus and don't what we call imagine all bad things. You try to reduce the images. You come out of the image in your mind and reduce the images. Do you like to run your brain as you like? Response. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself and speak. Do you like
Yes,
to
sir.
run
Yes,
your
sir.
brain if I teach how to run your brain? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. We'll teach it on next day. Tomorrow I will teach how to run your brain, how to reduce the worry, how to reduce the negative image, how to enlarge the positive image, how to be powerful, how to anchor the positive images again and again. We'll discuss about tomorrow. In a click of a button, with a snap, we can change any experience. So it is possible for human beings with the latest knowledge, with the latest technology. So I will provide the technology for you tomorrow. Now just note down, life is a collection of experiences. Write down. Life is a collection of experiences. Life is a collection of experiences. Life is a collection of experiences, comma. Life is a collection of experiences. Their frequency.
Yes, sir.
Their frequency, that is positive experience. That is how many times we are enjoying the positive experience. And intensity, how happily, how positively we are gaining that experience. Suppose you are a winner, how much you are enjoying that experience. You have to repeat those experiences. You have to make your life rich with those experiences, so that you will go to greater goals, greater and greater achievements. One level of achievement, one level of achievement to next level of achievement. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So here you have to do one more thing. Instead of comparing with another person, you have to compete with yourself. Compete with yourself and present level of experience, present level of mark, present level of performance to go next level of performance. Don't compare with other person in your class, in your village, in your family, or somewhere. Don't compare with other person, because we are having in each class in Telangana, we are having a 10 lakhs people, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs people will be there. 8th class చదివే వాళ్ళు ఒక 5 లక్షల నుంచి 8 లక్షలు ఉంటారు. 10th class చదివే వాళ్ళు ఒక 10 లక్షల మంది ఉంటారు. ఇంటర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఒక 10 లక్షలు. అట్లా only in Telangana state we are having lakhs of people, lakhs of students are there in each section. But if you compare with your fellow who is nearby, what about other people? So you aim for the excellence. You write down. I aim for excellence. You write down. I aim for excellence. The next point.
Complete, sir.
How is it? Is it good? How is the statement?
Good,
Is
sir.
it pleasing and good?
Please repeat again, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I am going to give you another golden nugget. And another golden rule I am going to give. If you work for 8 hours, not only now, not only as a student, after becoming an employee also, if you work for 8 hours, you will get a living. You will get a living. If you work 12 hours to 18 hours, if you work 12 hours to 18 hours, you will become rich. You will become rich. Rich means it is not exploiting. Rich ante eppudu evadido okadido doskotam kaadu. Today there is technology. With the technology there is a lot of development and expansion. The what we call the Facebook started in 2004 or 5. You know the value of Facebook is millions of rupees. The value of Facebook. You know YouTube is started in 2007. The value, you know, unlimited value, you know. Like that the Google started. Like that the Uber started. Like that Voyo is a company started by Indian boy. Voyo. Like that there is possibilities, unlimited opportunities are there if you are working with many skills, multiple skills, and focused on your talent. You have to find your talent. You have to find your gift given by God. You have to work for that. When you work 12 to 18 hours, you will be one of the outstanding person. You will be one of the most outstanding person in our field. Write down that one. If you work 8 hours a day, you will get a living. Write down. If you work 8 hours a day, if you work 8 hours a day, you will get living. If you work 12 to 15 hours, if you work 12 to 15 hours a day, you will become an extraordinary person. You will become an extraordinary person in your field. You will become an extraordinary person in your field. Now how many of you want to become expert in your field? ఆ వీడియో ఆన్ చేసి చేయొచ్చు చూపండి. How many of you want to become an outstanding expert in your field, so that thousands of people will be get benefited? If you are not taking action today, many of the, yes, very good. If you are not taking action today, many people who are going to నీ మీద ఆధారపడి నీ వల్ల లబ్ధి పొందే వాళ్ళందరికీ అన్యాయం జరుగుతుంది. సో యూ స్టార్ట్ గ్రోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ టుడే. So I am an expert in my field. Write down. I am an expert in my field. Repeat in your mind when you are going to bed. Repeat in your mind, I am going to an outstanding expert in my field. It may be 20 years, it may be 10 years, it may be 5 years. But you decide to become an expert in your field. It may be a doctor, it may be a engineering field, it may be medicine field, it may be pharmacy, it may be politics, it may be social service. Whatever field is, you have to serve many people. That is the goal. If you serve many people, if you can find a way to serve many people, you will be rich and also famous. You will be rich and also famous, and you will get all you want. If you help many people, you will get all you want with service. Like Facebook, like YouTube, like Uber, like what we call Oyo hotels. Oyo is what we call a company. So like that, many fields are there. We are having many people. We are having 130 crores of people. We need many leaders. We need many inventors, innovators to help all the people. So why not you be one of them? Why not you be one of them, helping people to become happy and get supported with your service, with your product? So discipline yourself, help many people. In the process, you get your living and also you will get your fortune. So it is the aim of self-discipline. Why we should practice self-discipline? Did you got? Why you should get self-discipline? Enduku practice cheyali meeru? You live all the facilities, you support your family,